Everything is exactly what I envisioned, bringing it to life from paper to the actual, brick and mortar at the very end. It was phenomenal. It was important to me to have a project that would stand out amongst anyone else. Our motto as a company has always been to have the nicest, cleanest stores around. And that is something that I feel we definitely achieved here with the Town Center Market location in Howard. With Shrock as our partner, the site came to life from what we envisioned on paper to what it ended up being. Previously, I was in real estate before I retired and joined my father in this business. So I had a lot of experience, obviously, with homes in and around Knox County. And any of the Shrock custom homes that would come on the market or that I would see built, I knew that they were very well made, very high quality. Everything that they do, it just seems to be top notch, which is very important to me. I'm a quality over quantity guy. So I'm an attention to detail, and I want everything to be as perfect as possible, and I feel like that's what Shrock brings to the table. And then getting to know them, obviously, is a whole nother matter, because the personnel, they're phenomenal. From the site manager to people that assisted, the design team at Shrock. I could just go on and on and on about how great and how helpful everyone was with Shrock in bringing this project to fruition. It just, it made the project so enjoyable to have that type of working relationship with the Shrock team. I would say Shrock helped us to achieve every goal that we had for this project, from their expertise in the building industry, to their dedication, to their craftsmanship, all the way through the entire project. They were just nothing but helpful, professional, and absolutely wonderful to work with. The one thing that probably pulled me in their direction from the get-go was the fact that this location in particular that we're talking about here in Howard required a lot of site work. The one thing that set Shrock apart from the other ones that had bid the project was the fact that Shrock has their own excavating crew. They have their own people, they have their own equipment. There was no subbing out any of that to do this project, and I knew, with this being such an important aspect of it, that would probably set them way ahead. The construction project went pretty much right on schedule. Truly, from what they laid out at the beginning, time frame wise, it went as smooth as possible all the way through, from the beginning to the final touches at the very end. With every project, no matter how well you design and plan ahead, there's going to be things that pop up as you're going through it, like little things that you can't really plan for on the architectural side or on the design side until you're there. And then obviously that's where I think they thrive in saying, okay, Chris, we think that we could do this, this, or this. So them laying out options of what we could do. For someone like me, that's all I ask for. Lay out different options for me to choose from, and then I can quickly say, okay, I don't like that one, but I love this, let's do it, let's move forward. And that's truly how the entire project went. We would have weekly meetings on site. It was something that I actually look forward to with the staff that we work with at Shrock, because I learned something every week. They kept everything on track, and I guess to bring it all together, the final project turned out wonderfully. Even people that maybe don't frequent the place very often would say that this is an amazing site that you just don't see very often in our area. And I'm excited to say that we are now in the planning phases of a new project with Shrock. They are going to build our dream home. The time and commitment that they put into a big project like this, I can't thank them enough. So happy. It turned out wonderfully, and there's really nothing that I would have changed or done differently with them to bring this project to life.